Welcome to this transformative journey. Today we're diving deep into healing the divine masculine, a sacred energy of action, strength, and purpose within us all. Whether you're male or female, this energy shapes how you navigate life, how we set boundaries, pursue goals, and show up in relationships. When this energy is wounded or unbalanced, it can feel like an uphill battle. We might struggle with self-doubt, procrastination, or difficulty in expressing our needs. Let's explore how to heal and empower this vital force, to step into our full potential and create a life of purpose, authenticity, and deep connection. Before we embark on this journey of healing, it's essential to understand what we mean by the divine masculine. This isn't about gender roles or stereotypes. It's about a universal energy of action, purpose, direction, and focus. Think of the sun. It rises every day, radiating warmth and light, providing life and sustenance. When this energy is in harmony within us, we feel a sense of purpose and direction. We feel confident in our abilities and show up authentically in our relationships and in the world. Often, our divine masculine energy carries wounds from past experiences, societal conditioning, or cultural expectations. We might have been told to suppress our emotions, to toughen up, or to prioritize achievement over well-being. These messages can create imbalances and blockages in our energetic field. Recognizing these wounds is a crucial step in the healing process. It's about acknowledging the impact of these experiences on our beliefs, behaviors, and relationships. It's about creating a space of self-compassion as we begin to unravel the layers that have kept us from fully embracing our divine masculine energy. One of the most powerful ways to heal the divine masculine is to embrace vulnerability. This might seem counterintuitive, as we often associate masculinity with strength and stoicism. But true strength lies in the willingness to face our emotions with courage and honesty. Think of a warrior who, after a battle, tends to their wounds with care and compassion. When we allow ourselves to feel our emotions fully, to express them authentically, and to seek support when needed, we create space for deep healing and transformation. We begin to release the old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us, making room for a more balanced and empowered expression of our divine masculine energy. As we heal and empower our divine masculine energy, we begin to understand the importance of setting healthy boundaries. This means learning to say no to what drains us, to protect our energy and time, and to prioritize our well-being. Setting boundaries is not selfish, it's an act of self-love. It's about honoring our needs, respecting our limits, and creating a life that feels aligned with our values and aspirations. When we heal the divine masculine, we step into a place of authentic power. This isn't about dominance or control over others, it's about owning our worth, embracing our strength, and showing up in the world with purpose and intention. This journey is about becoming the best versions of ourselves, living in alignment with our values, and creating a positive impact on the world around us. It's about embracing both our strength and vulnerability, our ability to take action, and our capacity for deep connection and compassion. Healing the divine masculine is a continuous journey, a process of self-discovery and growth. It's about shedding old layers, embracing our authentic selves, and stepping into our full potential. As we heal, we not only transform our own lives, but also create a ripple effect, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of healing and wholeness. Remember, you are not alone on this path. Trust in the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every step you take towards healing and wholeness. Embrace your divine masculine energy, and let it guide you towards a life of purpose, passion, and deep connection.